Dear students, very good morning to you all. The next concept is divisibility rules. So I wrote on the board some divisibility rules in shortcut way. So we have discussed one by one. The first divisibility rule is first one is 2. It says if last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, a number having in last digit means was in unit place. In unit place there is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That number will completely divisible by 2. For example, 2, 10, 12, 48, 56. There are some examples. By observing these examples, last digit means what? In unit place, the 0, 2, 8 is there, 6 is there, 8, 0, 8. So in unit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, then that numbers are completely divisible by 2. In simple way, all even numbers are completely divisible by 2. These are the all even numbers. Okay, the first one, the rule of 2 is completed. The second one is rule 3, divisibility rule 3. What it says, the sum of the digits of that given number, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, it says the sum of the digits of that given number is completely divisible by 3, then the total number is completely divisible by 3. For example, 24 is there. The given number is 24. Then the sum of the digits, here the digits are 2 and 4. Then the sum of these two digits is equal to 2 plus 4. Then answer is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Then completely 24 is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24. This is the rule for 3. Same, the rule for 9. Divisibility rule for 9 is also same. If the sum of the digits of the number is completely divisible by 9, then the total number is completely divisible by 9. Already I wrote, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. See example, 36. 36 is our number, then the digits are 3 and 6. Then the sum of these two digits, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Then 9 is divisible by 9. Then completely 36 is divisible by 9. For example, 9 4s are 36. So these have same rules. Okay. The next one is divisibility by 4. In this rule, the last two digits are completely divisible by 4. Then the total number will completely divisible by 4. See here. If the last two digits is divisible by 4, the last two digits is completely divisible by 4, then the total number will completely divisible by 4. Example, 436 is a number, the last two digits are 36. Here 3 and 6 are the two digits that make number 36. 36 is divisible by 4. For example, 4 9s are 36. Then the total number 436 is completely divisible by 4. So these are the first 4 divisibility rules. Right now. Dear students, the next divisibility rules are a divisibility test by 8. What it says, if the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, already we know the 4 rule. It says the last 2 digits the same as 8 1. If the last 3 digits is completely divisible by 8, then the total number is completely divisible by 8. For example, 448. Here the 3 digits are unit 10, 100. The 3 digits form one number. That number is 448. 448 is completely divisible by 8. See, 8 5s are 40, remaining 4, 48, then 8 6s are 48. The next one is 2456. So, the 456 is completely divisible by 8. See here, 8 5s are 40, remaining 5, 56, 8 7s are 56. Then the 2456 is completely divisible by 8. Same as it is here. 3 digits are 0, 8, 8. Then the number is 88. 88 is divisible by 8. Then the total number 2088 is completely divisible by 8. This is the divisibility rule for 8. The next one is the both rule says same. Here some difference. Okay. The 5 divisibility rule is if the last digit is 0 or 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then the number is completely divisible by 5. For example, 5, 10, 15, 60, 100, 205, 3650. There are so many numbers. So I have to observing these numbers because here in unit place, the last digit means what? In unit place, there is 0, here 5, 0, 0, 5, 0. So, these numbers are completely divisible by 5. And in unit place, only 0 or 5 come. So, this is the rule for 5. Also, 10 divisibility test says, if the last digit is 0, just reading 10 table, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100 something. In unit place, there is only 0. So, if the last digit is 0, the last digit means what? In unit place 0, then the total number is completely divisible by 10. This is the rule for 10. The next one is divisibility tester. The 6, it says a number, every number or a number which are completely divisible by 2 and 3. The number it is in 2 and 3, then that number will completely divisible by 6. Here I wrote on the board. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, if the number is completely divisible by 2 and 3, then the total number will completely divisible by 6. For example, 12. 12 it is in the table 3. 12 it is in the table 2. 3 4s are 2 6s are, then 6 2s are 12. Here 18 it is in the table 2. 2 9s are, it is in the table 3. 3 6s are, then it is completely divisible by 6. 6 3s are. Here also 126. 126 it is in the table 2 because in unit place even number is there. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are. Then it is in 3 table because the sum of the digits of that given number is 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 in the table 3. So 126 is completely divisible by 3. So also it is completely divisible by 6. 6 2s are, 6 1s are. This is the rule for 6. Then the next one is 12. Same here, the product of two numbers. Here also the product of two numbers. So 12, the number, if the number is divisible by 4 and 3, here 2 and 3, here 4 and 3. A number which is divisible by 4 and 3, then the total number is completely divisible by 12. So example 36. 36 it is in the table 4. 4 9s are, then it is in the table 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. The next one 48. 48 it is in the table 4. 4 1s are, 4 2s are. The next step in the table 3. 3 1s are, 3 6s are. Then it is completely divisible by 12. 12 4s are 48. Here also 4 6 3 8 then 12 2 So these are the examples for some divisibility test. So write down. Dear students, the next divisibility test is 7. What it says? If the digit is doubled and subtracted from the number formed by remaining digits, the result is divisible by 7. So already I wrote on the board, the number is 721. The number is 721. Here in unit place 1 is there. So you have to double the unit place. So already I wrote double the last digit. The last digit means what? In unit place. So in unit place 1 is there. You have to double the last digit. It comes 1 into 2 is equal to 2. The twice of 1. The twice of 1 is equal to 1 into 2 equal to 2. The remaining number is 72. The remaining number is 72. Just you have to write the remaining number. Then the difference of both numbers 72 and 2. 72 minus 2 is equal to 70. The 70 is divisible by 7. 70 is divisible by 7. It means what? 70, it is in the table 7. 7 times are 70. Then 721 is completely divisible by 7. See here, 7 ones are 7. Remaining 21. 7 threes are 21. So this is the one example for divisibility test. Next one is divisibility by 11. What it says? It is a difference of sum of odd places and sum of even places. Is divisible by 11, then the given number is completely divisible by 11. So it is a difference of sum of odd places and even places. Then is divisible by 11, the completely divisible by that given number. Okay. For example, the example 1 is 1221. 1221. Here 1 it is odd places. Odd places means what? First place. Then 2 it is in second place means even place. Third place. 2 it is in third place means odd. Then 1 it is in the place 4. 4 means what? Even. Then the sum of these odd places. Odd places means what? 1 plus 2. Odd places 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then sum of even places. 1 plus 2 is equal to, or 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then the difference of odd places, even places. The difference of odd places is 3. Then even places, the sum of even places and odd places is 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 0 is divisible by 11, means 11 zeros are 0. Then 1221 is completely divisible by 11. So divisibility test by 11. These are the some rules for some numbers. Right.